Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today is a great day to talk about Polygon MATIC. Right now seeing $1.66, a 10.69% increase in just the last 24 hours. Coming all the way from about $1.47 earlier on in the 24-hour period, now seeing that push all the way up to $1.68 and now coming back down with a little bit of volatility down to that $1.66. There's a lot of reasons as to why this push has been just recently started, and we're going to talk about the updates and news regarding Polygon here in just a minute. Jumping into the last week alone, we're seeing about a 10.11% increase, coming from $1.47, having, like I said, that volatility, bringing us all the way down to $1.33 midweek, and then jumping right back up to $1.68 and finishing out at $1.66 right now. We are continuing to see a lot of great things with Polygon. If we take a look at the last month, seeing a 63.13% increase is definitely going to continue us on this bullish path. If we take a look at the market cap right now as well, a $10.8 billion market cap and a $1.6 billion volume in the last 24 hours. Taking a look at just some of the recent developments on Polygon, there's a lot of news to really talk about and jump into. Although before we do so, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date as quickly as possible with everything regarding Polygon and so many other altcoins across the channel. I will say as well, guys, before we jump into all these tweets and articles, you can follow me on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. If you follow me on Twitter, you are going to get updates on Twitter as well regarding cryptocurrency. So jumping back, I do want to talk a little bit about developers. Get ready to build with the Polygon Grants Hackathon, backed by the line of amazing sponsors and ecosystem partners with rewards worth 100K. So this obviously bringing more people to Polygon and more funds obviously coming to those great projects that really provide utility and use around the space. So this is absolutely huge, and I think a lot of us are excited about Polygon's future with things like this coming to the forefront. So jumping into the next tweet, we have Pull Together is now growing on Polygon. New USDC prize pool. We have the pool token available on Quick Swap Dex, and we also have pool rewards stated or started for that USDC and USDT prize pools. So a lot of things coming, and we actually see one of the bigger ones now. Dharma HQ is now live on Polygon. With Polygon POS integration, users can actually purchase hundreds of tokens on Dharma directly from a US bank account delivered to their wallet. So this is absolutely huge. Accessibility is something we talk a lot about. And I will say, guys, we'll do a quick little segment here. In the description down below, I do have a link to my Patreon. In that Patreon link, you're actually going to find that I do have a silver and gold level subscription. And if you do that, you actually will get opportunities to see these pre-sales as well as ICOs, IDOs, and low market cap picks before the rest of the people see them on YouTube. So a great option, a great opportunity to get those low price points and get in before, the getting is good. So I do want to jump into the next tweet. We see Dharma HQ talking about goodbye gas fees. Hello, Polygon. Polygon is now live on Dharma HQ for all users. Buy and sell 2,000 plus tokens on Polygon with USD and pay 0 network fees. So number 2, we have with Polygon Network, you can buy thousands of tokens directly from the US bank account, sell tokens and get dollars in your bank account without leaving Polygon. And you can also swap thousands of tokens with near instant confirmation, all without the network fees of Ethereum. So obviously there is a lot of use coming behind Dharma HQ and Polygon. No shuffling tokens between MetaMask, cross-chain bridges, crypto exchanges with a network fee at each step of the way. Whether you're a beginner or pro, save the time, save the money, save the headaches. So Dharma's got something special going here, and I think this is definitely a project we're going to continue to follow. And, like I said, it's a project that has a lot of use, a lot of utility provided with it. Next, we have one of the biggest things that just came out is Coinbase announces now. I guess, I kind of stuttered there, but Coinbase announces, I don't know why it's so hard to say this, announces its plan to integrate Polygon POS, an Ethereum scaling solution. This announcement actually complements Coinbase's wallet's earlier announced support for Polygon POS on both the Coinbase wallet and its extension. So if we actually jump into the tweet, we're excited to announce support for Polygon Network on the Coinbase wallet mobile app and extension, with more scaling solutions to come soon. So if we actually, like I said, jump a little bit farther into this, you're going to see Coinbase being talked about on Polygon's Twitter account as well. So Coinbase prepares for Ethereum scaling solutions and unveils plans to integrate Polygon, an effort to really allow for quick, economical withdrawal fees, or for its customers to get on board with increasing usage of Ethereum scaling solutions as well. So announcing those plans to integrate Polygon POS and Ethereum scaling solution is definitely on the way. This is going to be absolutely huge. And one thing I've noticed a lot about with this is we're getting a lot more retail as well as institutional, articles coming out and talking about this partnership. So one of the big getting ones is going to be FX Street. They talk about crypto quite a bit on FX Street. And what you'll see here is analysts believe Polygon entered a new bull run that pushes MATIC price to $2.56. So Coinbase integrating Polygon network as an Ethereum layer 2 solution, and we also are likely to see a bullish impact on the MATIC price. As institutional interest in MATIC surges, the altcoin gears up for a price rally. And that's what I always tell you guys, retail and institutional interest are definitely going to be the rising factors as to why and where these prices will continue to push. 74% of wallet addresses holding MATIC are currently profitable. Analysts set a price target at $2.56. One thing I'll say, guys, is $2.56. We're not going to read too much more into this article, but I do want to go back to the Polygon price chart right now. $2.56 is a massive climb from where we are right now at $1.66. 256 would be right around that all-time high of 268. That was May 17th at 8 p.m. I think this is definitely a possibility. We saw the Polygon, Hermes merger or acquisition, one of the first ones in the crypto space, and I think with this kind of things continuing to really take place around Polygon MATIC, we're going to continue, like I said, to see that retail as well as institutional interest come and jump on board with Polygon. So I do want to talk about the end of the year, end of the bull market part, to really the price predictions leading up to them. And I think realistically, we do see an all-time high by the end of the year for Polygon. I think there's a great opportunity for Polygon to reach really into that $2.50 to $5 range, which is going to be, like I said, right around that all-time high. I think there's a great opportunity for Polygon to continue this push up. And definitely, like I said, with all of this, big news regarding Coinbase and Dharma, as well as talking a little bit about just the future of Polygon Hermes as a whole, there's a great opportunity for this, like I said, next leg up. So I do want to talk about the end of the bull market part too. So a lot of people are suggesting, even higher price points. I think realistically, we are going to see Polygon push for those higher price points, but not as high as people are saying. People are jumping and yelling about 10x's. Well, yeah, you know what? There's a possibility we see a 10x, but realistically, I think we're going to be right around that $6 to $8 range. I don't think we're going to hit that $10 mark. Honestly, I think 6 to 10, is a possibility, but 6 to 8 is going to be more realistic, conservative, and reasonable. And that's always what I try to keep you guys at here on the channel. So moving forward, I do want to say, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. I just want to kind of give you guys an opportunity as well to jump in, follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT, trying to give you guys all the updates there as well. And if you haven't already, take a look at that Patreon link down in the description below. As I said prior to this video, I will not be doing any ads actually through the month of September. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, and like I said, continue this awesome support, it would be great for you guys to take a look at that Patreon link down below and check out some of those different options. A lot of those people are taking advantage of the pre-sale as well as IDO and ICO opportunities that are kind of given to them at these early times and rates. So thank you again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.